Just like a strong foundation determines how durable a house will be, layout is the core element that defines a website's ability to grow and scale. And welcome back to Learn with GemPages. In today's video, we'll explore how to use the row element to build clean, modern page layouts, helping you save time while increasing your page's conversion rate. You can use the timestamps below to easily follow along with the video content. A page is made up of multiple sections such as the header, above the fold area, below the fold content, supporting sections, and the footer. Each section plays a different role, but they work together to turn visitors into customers. So, going back to the original question, what makes up a section? The process of creating a section is very simple. Step 1, choose a layout. Step 2, add content. A section is built from a combination of rows and columns, with content arranged side by side within each row. How you divide a row or how many columns you use depends on how you want to present information to your customers. For example, this product section uses 2 columns, while the social proof section below uses 3 columns. You'll also see other sections that use even more columns depending on their layout needs. In the GemPages editor, you can choose both the number of columns and the width of each column. On screen, these numbers represent the grid system, which defines how columns are divided and always adds up to 12. This allows you to control your layout precisely across all devices. To make it easier to understand, with a 4:8 ratio for the 2 columns, the left column will be twice as wide as the right column. Next, let's take a closer look at the layout in this 2-column section. We'll start with the left column. At the top is an image, followed by a subheading, a main heading, a description, and finally a call to action button. Now let's move to the left column. The elements are the same, but the positions of the image and text are swapped. This creates a nice visual contrast across the page. Now let's remove the content so we can clearly see the layout and the elements being used. In reality, it's simply one row with 2 columns. Inside each column, there is 1 image, 1 heading, 2 blocks. Next, we'll analyze the product breakdown section. You can pause the video and try to visualize the structure of this layout. The first part is a row that contains text elements. The second part is a row with 3 columns. Each column includes an image and 2 text blocks. After removing the content, we can clearly see the elements needed to build the entire section. Now let's build a section in GemPages from scratch. Do you still remember the 2 steps we followed earlier to create a section? So the first step is still to create the layout. Let's go back to the GemPages editor. Step 1, to create the layout, drag and drop a 2-column row. Step 2, add an image element and upload your image. Step 3, next, add text content, a heading for the title, and text blocks for the subheading and description. Here, you can adjust the font weight, font size, and text color to better match the layout. Step 4, finally, add a call to action button where you can customize the text, button color, and hover effects. Now the first column looks good. All you need to do next is duplicate the elements and drag them into the second column. Then simply update the content as needed. All styles are preserved, which saves a lot of time. You can also enable full width to stretch the content across the entire screen. However, this option isn't suitable for every section and can look messy if not used correctly. A safer approach is to keep the standard width at 1200px default. While it's easy to over-design, the key is to avoid cluttered layouts. That's why you can also adjust the column gap to control spacing between content blocks. Finally, don't forget to click Save and Publish once you're done. And that wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new tutorials from Learn with GemPages. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.